Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to TechEasy. Today in this video, I'll tell you what is the fastest way to scan documents to the PDF on the Android mobile. See here, this is my Motorola Android mobile, right? And just within 1 second, I'll try to scan this document which is in front of me. See here on my phone homepage, this is on the home screen, right? I kept an app. Just with one click, I'll be opening that. And see here, now I'll try to capture this and this will scans automatically into PDF. There are two options here, manual and auto capture. Sorry, see here, there are two, manual and auto capture. Now present, this is in the auto capture mode. I am not clicking anything, but it will automatically captures that. If not, I'll be pressing on this capture button here. Okay, done. Now immediately this document is scanned into the PDF. See, now this is PDF. Even though the page is in vertical, it took the exact PDF. And there are options like next here. What I'll do is I'll click on next, close this, and see here the format is PDF. You can see scan document.pdf. I can rename this to something else. Just I'll be renaming to test. Okay, this is PDF and I'll click on upload. This is saved to my Google Drive. Quickly I'll be showing you by opening my Drive app, and I'll go to this three dots and click on the recent here and test.pdf. Now I'll tell you how you can keep this on your home screen so that you can take or scan any document to the PDF on Android quickly. So let me remove this shortcut first and I'll be adding this again so that you will also get to know the procedure. Let me remove this. Okay, press and hold on your home screen for few seconds until you see the option called widgets. Tap on this widgets, and I'm assuming you already have Google Drive app on your mobile. So if you have Google Drive, then you'll see this Google Drive widget section, and here there is a option called drive scan. Just drag this and drop it on your home screen and click on OK with the Gmail. Yeah, click on select here. That's it. As soon as you click on select, you will see this my drive shortcut, one click shortcut, so that you can scan any documents by just clicking on that and capturing, and this gets converted to PDF. If you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.